Okay, so I am at the condo and I have this massive box from Charlotte Tilbury. So I inadvertently entered a sweepstakes and they have sent me 28 products. This is crazy. It's a huge box, as you can see in the clips. So yeah, I'm gonna unbox it and show you guys what I got. Oh my gosh. Okay. This is crazy. So I inadvertently entered myself into a Charlotte Tilbury sweepstakes, and they've sent me this insane gift package. So I'm gonna show you guys what I got. So the top, it says the Charlotte Tilbury Walk of No Shame on the Go. There's this. Charlotte's Magic Skincare Wardrobe. It kind of looks like a lot of this stuff is their like holiday gift packages and stuff, which is kind of cool. And the Pillow Talk Lip Secrets. Mini Collagen Lip Bath Icon. The Pillow Talk Beautifying Eye Filter. Charlotte Tilbury Easy Smoky Eyes to Hypnotize. Goodness. The Charlotte's Magic Serum Cryo Recovery Duo. The Charlotte Tilbury Push Up and Eye Recovery Kit. I think there's some duplicates amongst these, so I'm definitely not going to keep everything to myself. Then a Pillow Talk on the Go. This has, yeah, there's like definitely a lot of repeats and stuff, so that's kind of cool. Well, I mean, like, I love their stuff so much. I'm happy. Then Charlotte Tilbury's Magic Icons, a trio of iconic beauty secrets, including award-winning Charlotte's Magic Cream. So there's like the mascara, I think the Pillow Talk, yeah, a matte resolution in Pillow Talk, the mascara again, and the Magic Cream. So that's definitely like the third Pillow Talk mascara already. Crazy. Magic Serum Secrets. So there's another Magic Serum and lip oil. Then there is the Charlotte's Iconic Mini Lip Wardrobe. Then a whole whack of these guys. These, I think, are her new lipsticks. Yeah. So these are the Limitless Lucky lipsticks. So these are the colors Love Flame, Everlasting Blossom, Very Lucky, Cherry Dream, and Red Wishes. So these are them. These are definitely more like bold than I would go for. So I think I'll probably end up keeping the reds and then see if anybody else wants like the more maroony colors. And then the Instant Look in a palette in Sunset Dreamscape. And then the two Luxury Palette Pearls. These are the holiday quads that she just released. I watched reviews before this arrived because I was pumped. Okay. Then there's Pillow Talk Magic Kisses. Another like lip liner and lip oil. Definitely more Pillow Talk stuff than I know what to do with. Then Charlotte Tilbury's Magic Cream. Oh, this one's so pretty. I have one because I won, so they gave me one that said I'm a winner on it, and now I have this pretty one. And then there's a refill. So this one is refillable, which is great. I have a couple magic creams and stuff. So yeah, okay, I'm gonna oh, I have a few more smaller things. Oh no, it's crushed. Oh no. The Charlotte Tilbury's Magic Spa Facial Secrets. There's this. And then the Magic Mini Brush Set. And, give me 1 second and I will show you the big stuff. So the first thing is this Charlotte Tilbury Pillow Talks Dreams Come True set. This is like most of their Pillow Talk products, I think. This is huge. This is crazy. Like, the whole value of this is insane. I'm so lucky. I can't believe. I don't know. I never win things, guys. I'm in awe. I'm so excited. I don't know like what to do. And then the Charlotte's Hollywood Look Makeup Icons. So this is like the Magic Cream Flawless Eye Filter Luxury Palette, Eye of Stars, Hollywood Exaggerize Liner Duo, the Beauty Light Wand, Collagen Lip Bath, Legendary Lashes Volume 2, and the Wonder Glow. And then, this is the, oh my goodness, Charlotte's 3 Magic Steps to Perfect Looking Skin. There's the Magic Serum, the Magic Cream, and the Magic Night Cream. So definitely I've got some doubles of the Magic Night Cream and Pillow Talk stuff. Makes sense because they're her best sellers and they would be included in a lot of her sets. But yeah. And then the last one, which is another huge box. This is the Charlotte's Beauty Dreams Secrets. Crazy. Crazy. Okay, well, I'm gonna lay these all out, and once I get into opening them all, I'll show you. Okay, so this is the Charlotte Tilbury, like Dreams Come True. I have all of these little drawers that have stuff in them. So you have the Multi-Miracle Glow. This is the Pillow Talk for the Magic Serum. This is a Wonder Glow or Beauty Light Wand. This is the Clay Mask. This is seriously like Christmas over here. Then a Legendary Lashes. One-handed Wonder Glow. This is a Walk of No Shame eyeliner. The Color Chameleon and Pillow Talk. The Charlotte Tilbury Matte Revolution lipstick in Pillow Talk number 2. And then you have the Charlotte Tilbury Lip Cheat in Pillow Talk 2. A mini Magic Cream. And then finally, the Airbrush Flawless Setting Spray. And then this guy is the Pillow Talk Dreams Come True. So you have, so on this top level, you have the eyeliner, the mascara. This is, I want to say the blush. Yeah, the Pillow Talk Cheek to Cheek. And then the beauty wand. And then on the second level, you have the lip cheek. So the Jewel Lips, the Collagen Lip Bath, the Matte Revolution lipstick, another lip gloss. I forget if this this is the Superstars, I think. Yes. So then the last of this large kit is like the Charlotte's Hollywood look, which are all the red carpet icons. This is what's in the Charlotte's Hollywood look. You have a Beauty Light highlighter wand, this eyeshadow quad, a lip gloss, more magic cream, more Wonder Glow, a a dual eyeliner set, and then mascara. These are the icons, or yeah, the Matte Revolution iconic mini lip wardrobe. So you have Pillow Talk Medium, Walk of No Shame, and Red Carpet. Then you have the Instant Look in a Palette 5-minute face on the go. This is the Sunset Dreamscape palette. So pretty. These are the Charlotte Tilbury Luxury Palette of Pearls. This one is Celestial Pearl, and this one is Cosmic Pearl. The 3 Pillow Talk like sets, holiday sets that I got. So the Pillow Talk Lip Secrets, Pillow Talk on the Go, and Pillow Talk Beautifying Eye Filter. So the Pillow Talk Lip Secrets has the Matte Revolution Lip Cheat. I think this is the Collagen Bath, and then the Jewel Lips. And then Pillow Talk on the Go has the like eye pencil, the mascara, lip cheat, and Matte Revolution lipstick. Again, this is the mini size, and the Lip Secrets, this one, is the full size lipstick. I already have a couple of these lipsticks scattered throughout, so I'm definitely going to be like passing these along to friends and family members and stuff. And then you have the Pillow Talk Beautifying Eye Filter. So this is the eyeliner, and Pillow Talk Push-Up Lashes. And there's a few of these as well rolling around, so I will be passing those along. Then this is the Easy Smoky Eyes to Hypnotize, the Eye Enhancing Duo. This is in Cosmic Gold and Black Smolder. This is just pencil eyeshadow. I'm really excited to try these. Then you have Charlotte Tilbury's Magic Serum Secrets, so the lip oil and the magic serum. So this set is the magic icons. So you have a Matte Revolution Pillow Talk. It's definitely number 3 or 4 that I've already shown you. Then you have the magic cream, and then more Pillow Talk Push-Up Mascara. So yeah, definitely a lot of these. See, there's definitely a lot of duplicates, especially this set. Like you'll see these duplicated quite a bit, but yeah, super cool that I got sent everything. I'm really excited and very grateful to have won. So then you have the Walk of No Shame on the Go. This has the eyeliner, the other mascara that she has, the lip cheat in Walk of No Shame, and then the Matte Revolution in Walk of No Shame. The Legendary Lashes is the mascara. Then you have the mini collagen lip baths. So there's definitely, yeah. So there's Refresh Rose, Walk of No Shame, and Pillow Talk. So definitely seen Refresh Rose and Pillow Talk in other sets. So okay, so these are all the magic skin stuff. Anyways, so you have the Pillow Talk Push-Up and Eye Recovery Kit. So you have the Cryo Recovery Eye Serum, and then the mascara.
And you have the Magic Serum Cryo Recovery Duo. So you have the eye serum and the Magic Serum. Then these are her face masks, I believe, but they're like a at-home facial, yeah. Oh, more serum and face masks, and then a peel there. And then this is just her magic cream plus a refill at the bottom. See, this is like the magic cream. And then this front section opens, and then this is the refill in there. These would make great gift sets for sure. They're so pretty, and the packaging is really hefty. And then Charlotte's 3 magic steps to perfect looking skin. So you have the serum, the cream, and the night cream. So yeah, I'm definitely stocked up on the magic serum and the magic cream for sure. I have so much. So this is her mini brush set. Let's see if I can open this with my hand. Like that. I love. These are the brushes. They come in this nice little carrying case. I have another mini brush from before, so I think I'm gonna put them all together and keep them like this, slash possibly gift these to somebody. Last but not least, there is the Limitless Lucky Lips. So I have 5 of them. And these are the colors I have: Cherry Dream, Red Wishes, Everlasting Blossom, Love Flame, and Berry Lucky. I definitely am not too sure about these 2 colors and how they're gonna work for me. I honestly think I might just pass them along right away, but definitely the red colors I will wear throughout the holiday season and into the winter.